want a country in which the economy is growing every day, in which both workers and employers, owners of capital and the working class, have a role in ensuring that the economy grows. But even as it grows, there must be proportionate benefits for both sides. We are determined to correct the situation, and we have a plan of action.
I think with the experience that we have in leadership and with the honesty they're giving us to the youth, I think we're ready to government.
I want COPE must be in government, and because COPE have strong leaders that can help the communities so that they can have what they need.
COPE got the most credible leaders, and we as the citizens of South Africa can look up to them because they're uncorruptible, honest people.
Ndadetera Mosiuoa Lekota ke moprimiri wa pele wa Freistata. Botjeng ba hae e ne le motjha ya matla ka tsela e makatsang, a ileng a angwa ke ntate. O ile a ba karolo hape ya black consciousness. Ndadetera Lekota o ile a ba hape karolo ya United Democratic Front, mme re ile ra bapala mo e leng hore a tla etsa mokgatlona wa COPE o ile a di beha jwang, a re ba rata eng ha ba rate eng. Empa ke rata hore ke re rola kgaebana bakeng sa ntate Lekota ka dintho tseo a ileng a di etsa ka hare ho Freistata. E nngwe ya tsona e leng menyabuketso ya hae e meholo ke ena ya hore a behe mabaka ohle a neng a utlwahala hore hobaneng Bloemfontein e lokela ho ba motsemoholo wa Afrika Borwa. Ya tsitsinya batho ka hare ho naha ya Afrika Borwa, ya etsa le hore ba mo hule bo ntate Mandela, ba mo hule, ba mo tlose manene, mme ba ile ba mo etsa minister ya sesole kapa letona la sesole. O ile a sebetsa haholo, mme boemong ba ho ba ANC o ile a hlahlelwa ke ntate Mandela ha ba ntse ba le toronkong mane, hobane o ile a tshwarwa a ya mane Robben Island. Moo a ileng a ya teng Robben Island ke moo a ileng a kopana le ntate Mandela. Ho kuleng ha hae o ile a dula le lelapa la hae, mme a dula le lelapa le ditloholo, a qeta ho fana ka setulo sa hae. Re tlo utlwa hore o reng boemong bona ha bua ka moo president ya rona ile ya ba a sell out. Ha re mo mamele.
The president today, I was a bit puzzled that you introduced Roosevelt in all of that you spoke about. I'd like to say we must come back to South Africa because I was never in the United States to struggle. We struggled here. And I do want to say to you, Mr. President, that we were invited on a trip of struggle by the preeminent leader of the students of our time, the late Steve Biko, who said to us that we must fight the struggle, and said that, and I quote, in case of danger or living conditions that threaten human life, we must accept life for what it is or not at all. It did not take very long, 2 years or so, because that was around 72. In about 1974, we went into detention, among others. And in the course of that, we had to respond to this challenge. And I want to say to you, you invited me last week. We had to respond to that challenge. Your invitation last week was late. The challenge we had to respond to was that time. And you, with us in detention, when it was difficult, you wrote to the special branch that we put communist ideas in your head. In doing so, you condemned us to the special branch. And I say, no, I say this to you. I say this to you.
Order.
Because the special branch rewarded you as they always reward their victims. And they send you home. And we headed to Robben Island. You should have responded. This invitation that you are issuing on Friday, you should have issued it then. We should have traveled together to the island to serve years for the struggle of our people. I will not join you in the trip that you are suggesting. I will not join you because you made your choice then.
There's a point of order.
And I
Honorable
made my
Lekota,
choice.
please take your seat. Honorable
This
Lekota.
issue of selling out is very important.
Honorable Lekota, please continue with you must please watch your clock.
Well, the only point I wanted to make was that was the time the choices were made. I made my choice to go down with our people. You made your choice to go with them. Now you are inviting us to join you in the corruption of Bosasa, in the corruption of all of these things you've been doing with the others. I'm sorry, sir. I will stay with the people in Khayelitsha, in Chiawelo and Soweto and so on. The day we get out of there, it will not be to go to the flesh path of Egypt. It will be to go with our people when freedom is there for everybody. I thank you. I'm grateful you are a billionaire. Keep the billionaires and thank you for them. But we are not going to be part with you. I'm not joining that trip.
Thank you, sir.
If you are interested to hear,
Your time
you
has
must come to
expired.
our launch. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ke ka mo a di beileng ka teng mo e leng hore mofu Patrick Lekota a na hlalosa hore you decided to go with them. Ona bolela hore President Ramaphosa o ile a nka qeto ya ho tsamaya le makgowa ya ho kgema le makgowa mme yena a nka qeto ya ho tsamaya le Maafrika Borwa. O tla hopolwa ka tseno a gobala ka sebete sa hao. Sebete sa Ntate Lekota se ne se le seholo haholo. Mohaladitwe TV wa o tlotla.
Zaisava lenda wo yona lenda wo zaisava lenda wo ese suyo hawotina zaisava lenda wo yona lenda wo zaisava lenda wo ese suyo